Well, new this morning, new data projections are showing that COVID-19 could surpass heart disease as the #1 cause of death by March. First News reporter Simone Blair is live in the newsroom with more details. Simone.
Good morning, Brandon. Projections from the Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation show that COVID-19 could be the #1 cause of death in the U.S. if restrictions are eased. That is staggering news because heart disease has been the #1 cause of death in Americans for over 90 years. I spoke with a local doctor about why it's still important to pay attention to heart disease despite the pandemic. Cardiologists at Trumbull Regional say a lot of patients say they're scared to come to the hospital due to COVID-19, even after having symptoms of heart disease. But they say this is a bad idea, given the dangers of not checking in on heart issues.
There are always some concerns by patients that coming to the hospital may be more harmful than staying home and avoiding the symptoms, avoiding medical attention. So we are seeing an uptick in patients presenting late with heart attack, which can lead to complications, including fatal ones.
Dr. Bhakta stresses that it's more dangerous to ignore heart symptoms than to come to the hospital. He says COVID-19 patients are being separated from patients with other medical needs to keep people safe. Let's take a look at some of the numbers we're seeing around both COVID-19 and heart disease. These projections for COVID-19 deaths are for March 1st, 2021. If everything continues like it is today, there will likely be 500,000 total deaths in the United States by what health experts are calling the one-year anniversary of the pandemic. But the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluations says that the number of deaths could be closer to 666,000 people if restrictions are eased. In comparison, the CDC says that on average 655,000 Americans die from heart disease each year. Closer to home in the Mahoning Valley, in Ohio, almost 30,000 people died from heart disease in 2018. In Pennsylvania, over 32,000 people died from heart-related issues that same year. It's important to note that Dr. Bhakta told me heart disease can be treated effectively and safely if it's caught early. He gave me some tips for recognizing and preventing the disease. I'll share those later on this morning. Live in the newsroom, Simone Blair, First News This Morning.